Ducks Unlimited Canada is first and foremost a conservation organization. Clients will come to Conservation Pro looking to do these fish restoration projects as a way to counterbalance their impacts to fish and fish habitat. One thing we always hear when we talk to a lot of prospective clients is that they just don't have the land to do the projects on. They have a lot of great ideas, but no way to implement them. We have the ability to purchase land or purchase wetlands. Since we own these properties, Conservation Pro is able to step in and put these projects in the ground. Conservation Pro has two notable fish offsets in Eastern Ontario, one at Howe Island in Kingston and the other in Clark Island in Napanee. Ducks Unlimited Canada had owned and co-purchased some coastal wetland habitat, which is increasingly more rare. And these wetlands were degraded, they were cattail monocultures, and that just means cattail was overgrowing the entire wetland and it didn't really allow access for fish or any other types of wildlife. So basically what we did is we opened up these wetlands by creating pools and channels. So not only is it good for warm water species coming into spawn, but it's also a great place for any fish to stop over for foraging. These projects were big success stories. They were required to find at least 5 different species at each site. At Howe Island, we did find 16 different species of fish, and at Clark, we found 20 different species in a lot of different life stages. So some young of the year and some full adult, which is exactly what we want to see. Fish are very important in a lot of aquatic ecosystems. Coastal wetlands are increasingly more rare and also under a lot of different pressures through development, but also through things like climate change. So having healthy fish populations is just going to build that resiliency for those systems.